you can link your calendar booking pages when composing emails in Gmail. Now, this one I really, really love. If you're not already, you should be using the appointment booking page. So your appointment schedule basically lets you send a link to someone and let them book into your calendar using a calendar link. Now, for many years, people did this with third-party applications, Schedule Once, Acuity, Calendly, lots of different apps that did this. And then Google said, hey, that's a great idea. Let's build it into our app, right? And they built it into their own app. Now, you may still have a use for some of those third-party apps because some of them have better integrations, they have better features. You can do things like round robins and those kind of things. So we happen to use Calendly for our sales team, but most of the rest of our project and support delivery teams, we just use the standard Google one. I use the standard Google one because I don't need to be in a round robin or anything like that. But inside my calendar here, if I drag and drop a time slot, I can turn on an appointment schedule here. And here we go. Okay, so I add it to my schedule and I'm going to say all weeks. To change the availability. Now, I'm going to rename this one, make it a bit more obvious. Book time with Peter. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and update that. Okay, wonderful. Now, I can send an email and automatically add in my appointment scheduler into the email. Now, I love this idea, and this is something that I've been waiting for Google to release because I've often found that if I want to send an email, I've got to go to my calendar, I've got to find the appointment schedule, I've got to click copy link, I've got to go back to my email, I've got to paste it on my email. Having one button is a really great feature. So I'm going to go ahead, hit compose. Here is an email. And let's see if I can insert my calendar. Here we go, set up a time to meet. Bottom right-hand corner there, I can click that button. So I can insert my booking page, book a time with Peter. Oh, and there's even just a random button here, propose times that you're free. Okay, see what happens when I do that. Okay, find times that you can meet, 1 hour, add a date. Okay, let's say, oh no, okay, today is not a good idea. Let's go on Wednesday and add another date, Thursday. Okay, so it's this is like an ad hoc feature of some sort that it's going to put in there. Add to meet. There we go. All right. So I've given some proposed times there. That is very cool. And then, of course, the feature that I was trying to demo, unless I have them confused, is I can go ahead and just insert my booking page, right? Book a time with Peter. And that just gives the standard booking page slot there. All right. Beautiful. If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.